Imagine having a Twitch chat that isn't dead, but instead one that is actively engaged with not just you, the streamer, but with other viewers as well. Well, that is where channel points come in and where it can help your channel and keep your chat alive. And in this video, we're going to be going over 5 irresistible channel points that will bring your chat back to life. Now, the first option that we're going to have is going to be super diverse and can be used in so many different ways, and that is going to be through the use of predictions. Now, to access predictions, you have to go to your stream manager and make sure that you can add it to your stream chat, and then when you're streaming or when you're live, you or your moderators can just say /prediction and set it up. And there's so many different ways you can use this, from predicting whether you're going to win a round, whether you win a game, or even playing a game with your viewers where like siblings or datings. That was such a fun vibe in my one stream. Now, if you're not familiar with predictions, it's basically you set up a platform for your viewers to vote on an outcome with the channel points that they've gathered through watching you. This is going to keep them watching you to use these for the predictions. And one of the most fun streams I've ever had was playing a game of siblings versus dating. And you basically just go to the Instagram page, siblings versus dating, and you just play it with your viewers and you get them to predict, are they siblings or are they dating? And then they just put in the channel point, and hey, they can win even more channel points back by just participating in this. And this is going to get your Twitch chat alive again. It's going to get them involved in your stream, and it's a nice way for them to get involved. Maybe they don't feel like chatting, but they just want to place their vote down and win some channel points. The second method is going to be through self-torture. Not that kind, don't think that way. Think of things like being boozled. Basically, people can use channel points to make you suffer by eating really weird things like beans that can taste like vomit or poop. Ugh. But from the perspective of a Twitch viewer myself, I've had so much fun in other people's streams making them douse themselves in bean boozled. But you can just take this concept and adapt it to whatever you have available. Maybe it's your viewers make you eat chilies or bovril. Ugh. Fish paste. Ugh. I don't know what's worse than fish paste and bovril. Maybe mixing it with Nutella. The third irresistible channel point is going to be sound effects, or maybe it's even just clips from movies or your favorite songs, or you can even create custom songs. And basically your Twitch chat can just play them whenever. Some of the fun ones are the scary ones. If you're like so focused, you're holding an angle with your AWP or with your sniper, and then all of a sudden someone hits you with a jump scare. It's like it's a great time. The fourth irresistible channel point is going to be controlling your stream. And what do I mean by that? Let's take a look at one of my favorite all-time Twitch streamers and just look at how wild crazy his channel is. And I will link his channel down in the description. He also has a YouTube channel to show you how to do what he does. But check it, this is mad.
Solid Apashta. Good night. Thank you for hanging out.
Oh dear Lord.
Do a barrel roll.
As the President of the United States, I demand. Okay, we're good.
I know, right? Like, come on. How do we even compete with that? Like, how? The fifth irresistible channel point is going to be custom ones that fit within your genre. That's going to be very specific to you, the streamer, and that's what I think is really powerful about this one. So let's say you're a singer, you're an artist. Maybe it's song requests. Maybe you're an artist or a video editor, and they get to choose what clip to use. There's so many different avenues to use this. Maybe, hey, you even into cosplay, and they get to choose your outfit that you wear in the next stream. There's so many options out there for you to choose from. Now, just to conclude this, I want to tell you why you need these irresistible channel points, because yes, there actually is surprisingly a Twitch algorithm. Maybe you didn't know that, but basically the algorithm is going to promote channels where the chat is actively engaged, and that's going to boost you more into the recommended section on Twitch and give you more exposure than if you just didn't have any channel points. And channel points are so essential for small streamers that are just starting out, because they make you unique, they make you more fun and more entertaining. And at the end of the day, it's all about entertaining viewers and connecting with viewers. So now that you're setting up your channel points, why not take the time to actually listen to an interview where I speak to a very successful Twitch streamer known as Chloe Zeta, who averages over 60 viewers, and how she got to that position. So I'll see you guys there. It's a fun time and have an epic one.